The world is full of innovations, telephones, cars, airplanes, and now artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. It can also refer to any machine that demonstrates human-like characteristics such as learning and problem solving. Artificial intelligence is based on the concept that human intelligence may be characterized in such a way that a computer can simply duplicate it and complete tasks ranging from the most basic to the most complicated. Artificial intelligence's goals include imitating human cognitive processes. To the extent that they can be concretely described, researchers and developers in the field are making very rapid progress in replicating tasks such as learning, reasoning, and perception. Some predict that inventors may soon be able to create systems that outperform humans' ability to study or reason about any subject. Others, though, remain skeptical because all cognitive activity is laden within value judgments based on human experience. When most people hear the word artificial intelligence, they immediately think of robots. This is due to the fact that big-budget films and novels weave storylines about human-like machines wreaking havoc on Earth. But this could not be further from the truth. Can robots or artificial intelligence replace your partner? Robots are becoming increasingly common in our daily lives. The most common use of robots is to automate risky work in manufacturing. Honda developed Asimo, a humanoid robot, in 2000. It was capable of recognizing moving objects, processing vocal orders, and performing hand gestures, allowing it to interact with humans. So far, these robots are primarily utilized to assist the elderly or the disabled. Robots must have emotional intelligence in order for humans to fall in love with them. Robots will be robots unless they comprehend emotions and can simulate human interaction. They will be incapable of replacing humans. Emotional artificial intelligence, often known as affective computing, is fundamentally all about utilizing artificial intelligence to identify emotions. Robots with this level of emotional intelligence may comprehend not only cognitive but also emotional channels of human communication. As a result, they are able to recognize, evaluate, and respond correctly to both spoken and non-verbal messages. A lot of effort is being spent on teaching robots emotional understanding in the research field. In this regard, machine learning and deep learning are particularly relevant. Images and speech recognition systems are employed as input for the machines in these technologies. Love for robots should not be confused with objectophilia, which is an affinity to specific inanimate items. By the time robots can be human spouses, they should be on level with humans. Affectiva, a software company founded in 2009, was the first to commercialize artificial emotional intelligence. Affectiva's system was able to recognize 7 important emotions using a database of approximately 6 million faces from 87 countries that included anger, disgust, fear, joy, sadness, surprise, and contempt. Their technology is currently utilized for webcam analysis, but Affectiva is exploring allowing robots to be equipped with artificial emotional intelligence. The heart rate of a person is also recorded depending on the person's face. This algorithm is expected to be included in future robot emotion chips. This will allow robots to empathize and comprehend human emotions. Humans will have the perfect mate in certain ways if these emotion chips are implanted in robots. Someone who will provide you complete affection, love, company, friendship, and possibly sexual delight. Heartbreaks, being cheated on, and a lack of time spent together would all be eliminated if robots were our lovers. What are the criteria for developing emotional intelligence in robots? The primary concept that needs to be solved is that the computer should be aware of your emotional state in order to operate appropriately. It cannot pretend to be joyful while you are upset, or vice versa. Artificial general intelligence can assist systems in thinking, learning, and applying their knowledge in particular situations in the same way that people do. After all, they are programmed from the start to satisfy us. Relationships with robots may appear to be a bed of roses at first, but they may not last. Do you think artificial intelligence can replace your partner? Leave your comments below, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.